This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Turning your face to nature is not about escaping modern life. It is about reconnecting with a source that has quietly supported human survival, creativity, and prosperity for thousands of years. Long before factories, screens, and mass production, people earned their living by understanding wood, stone, soil, and water. Nature was not a hobby, it was a partner. Today, in a world crowded with noise, speed, and artificial demand, nature is once again becoming a powerful path to income, especially for those willing to work with patience, care, and vision. Woodcraft stands at the center of this return. Not because it is trendy, but because it is timeless. Wood speaks to something deep in people. It carries warmth, memory, and authenticity. When shaped with intention, it becomes more than an object, it becomes a story. And stories sell. In a market flooded with identical products, handmade and nature-inspired creations stand out quietly yet powerfully. This narration is not about quick money or shortcuts. It is about building profit the same way trees grow, slowly, solidly, and with roots that hold. When you turn your face to nature, you are not stepping backward. You are positioning yourself where long-term value still exists. In this journey, wood is not just material, it is opportunity. Nature has always rewarded those who observe before they act. Woodcraft begins the same way. Before cutting, shaping, or selling, you learn to see. You notice grain patterns, curves formed by time, knots that tell stories of struggle and survival. These natural imperfections are not flaws, they are signatures. In modern markets, uniqueness is currency. The more natural and unrepeatable a piece looks, the higher its perceived value. Many people believe profit requires scale, machines, and large investments. But woodcraft teaches the opposite lesson. Value comes from understanding. A small piece made with care can be worth more than a large object made in haste. Customers are no longer just buying furniture or decor, they are buying meaning. They want to feel connected to something real, something that was not rushed through an assembly line. Turning your face to nature also changes how you think about resources. Fallen branches, discarded slabs, old wood from demolished structures, these are not waste. They are raw material waiting for a second life. When you learn to see potential where others see scraps, your costs go down while your creativity rises. Profit does not always come from spending more, often it comes from wasting less. Woodcraft income grows when you stop copying and start interpreting. Nature never repeats itself exactly, and neither should your work. Instead of chasing trends, let the material guide you. A twisted root might suggest a bench. A wide slab may become a table. When the design follows the wood rather than forcing it, the result feels honest. Honesty builds trust, and trust builds repeat buyers. The market for nature-inspired wood projects is quietly expanding. Urban homes crave warmth. Offices want calm. Restaurants seek character. People are tired of plastic perfection. They want texture, grain, and soul. This is where handcrafted wood finds its place. Not as cheap alternatives, but as premium statements. Profit also depends on how you present your work. You do not need expensive tools or studios. Natural light, clean backgrounds, and thoughtful angles are enough. Let the wood speak. When people see the depth of grain and the balance of form, they imagine the piece in their own space. That imagination is the bridge between interest and purchase. Turning your face to nature means accepting a different rhythm. Woodcraft does not reward rushing. Drying, shaping, finishing, each stage demands patience. But patience compounds. While fast trends disappear, well-made wooden pieces age beautifully. They gain character over time, and so does your reputation. One of the most powerful aspects of woodcraft profit is storytelling. Every piece has a story: where the wood came from, why it was shaped this way, what inspired the design. Sharing these stories creates emotional value. People remember stories longer than prices. When customers feel part of the journey, they become ambassadors, not just buyers. Nature-based income also teaches responsibility. When you work with wood, you become aware of sustainability. Using responsibly sourced or reclaimed material adds another layer of value. Modern buyers care about ethics. They want to support creators who respect nature rather than exploit it. This alignment between values and product strengthens long-term demand. The beauty of woodcraft as income is its scalability without losing soul. You can start small: one piece, one buyer, one lesson. As skill grows, so does confidence. Over time, your signature style emerges. This style becomes your identity, something no machine can replicate. Identity is the most valuable asset in creative business. Turning your face to nature also changes how you define success. Instead of chasing constant growth, you focus on steady improvement. Each project teaches you something new about material, form, or people. Profit becomes a byproduct of mastery, not the only goal. Ironically, this approach often leads to better financial results. There will be challenges. Wood cracks. Designs fail. Sales are slow at times. But nature teaches resilience. Trees bend in storms and still stand. Learning from mistakes, adapting designs, and refining presentation are all part of the craft. Those who persist are rewarded with skill that cannot be outsourced or automated. In a world increasingly driven by algorithms and automation, handmade wood carries human presence. That presence has value. People are willing to pay for objects that feel alive, touched by human hands. When you turn your face to nature, you align yourself with something enduring, something that markets cannot easily erase. Profit from woodcraft is not loud. It grows quietly, like roots underground. But once established, it is stable. Customers return. Recommendations spread. Your work begins to speak for you. Nature becomes not just inspiration, but partner in your livelihood. Turning your face to nature and earning profit begins with a simple shift in perspective. Instead of seeing wood as just raw material, you begin to see it as a living record of time, weather, and resilience. Every grain line, knot, and curve carries a story, and in today's market, stories create value. People are no longer drawn only to perfect, factory-made products. They are searching for authenticity, objects that feel real, warm, and connected to the natural world. Nature teaches efficiency without waste. A fallen tree, an unused slab, or an irregular root can become the foundation of a high-value piece when approached with imagination. What others overlook, the craftsman transforms. This ability to recognize potential is where profit quietly begins. You spend less on material, yet create pieces that feel rare and intentional. Working with nature also changes how you design. Instead of forcing shapes, you follow the wood's natural flow. This results in forms that feel organic and balanced, pieces that stand out without shouting. Such designs attract buyers who appreciate calm beauty and lasting quality, not temporary trends. Earning profit from nature is not about speed. It is about patience and consistency. Each project refines your skill, sharpens your eye, and strengthens your reputation. Over time, your work begins to speak for you. Customers return not only for the object, but for the feeling it brings into their space. When you turn your face to nature, you align creativity with sustainability, craftsmanship with purpose. Profit becomes a natural outcome of respect for material, for process, and for the people who choose to bring your work into their lives. Turning your face to nature is a choice, a decision to slow down, observe, and create with intention. Woodcraft is more than making objects, it is building a relationship with material, time, and people. When approached with care, this relationship can generate both fulfillment and income. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.